Custom field types. You can add over 15 types of custom fields to both the student and staff pages. Select the main menu, Settings. Then select the Settings menu, Student Fields, or Staff Fields. Adding custom fields for students and staff is done in the same way. Select Add Field in the desired tab and section, and then select the Type drop-down and choose the desired field type. Most of the fields have the same options, including the field name, required, help text, move, delete, and reorder. For more information on these options, see the appropriate help tutorial in the CRM and Custom Fields section. The text field is used for a single line of text, for example, for a first name or last name. This field can accept any characters, including letters and numbers. The Notes field is used when you need more than one line of text. The Number field is used to limit the input to whole integers, like an ID number. And the Decimal field is for numbers with a decimal, like a dollar amount. The Date picker is used for dates, and the Time picker for the time. The Country field will display a drop-down of countries worldwide for the user to select. And the States field will display all of the states within the USA. The toggle is used for a true-false input. The toggle is in the off position by default, and can be toggled on by the user. The Phone Numbers and Emails fields allow the user to input one or more phone number or email address by selecting the plus icon. Both fields will then display a new drop-down, used as a label. The options in the label drop-downs can be customized in the settings. Select the main menu, Settings. Then select the Settings menu, Customize. Expand the section, CRM Fields Options, and scroll to the appropriate section to make your changes. For detailed instructions on phone number and email types, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Settings section. The Attachments field allows the user to upload a single attachment of almost any file type. Select Upload to choose the file. After saving your changes, you can then select the file icon to preview the file in a new window. The Select drop-down, Multi-drop-down, and Radio buttons all work in a similar way, which allow the user to choose an option from a list. Select the Add Options icon to add an option to the list, and then enter the desired list item. Repeat the process to add more items. You can reorder the items or delete them by selecting the corresponding icons. When finished, select Save to save your changes. Refresh the page to see your changes if necessary. You will now see that the user can select only one option in the Select drop-down field and one option in the Radio button field. But in the Multi-select drop-down, the user can select more than one option. Lastly, the Formula field enables you to utilize data from one or more cells within the section and perform various mathematical operations on them. For detailed instructions on how to add a formula, see the appropriate help tutorial in the CRM and Custom Fields section.